Good.
He's gonna take it home.
I'm not.
No?
What did you catch?
Nothing.
He never catches anything.
Yeah, not for a long time.
Of course, I always do. I always catch like 10 fish, huh, Rich?
Yep, or 12.
12. They're like hecka big too, huh?
Heck yeah.
To be in the
The seventh one is the biggest.
7th one.
13 points. I don't say you caught this.
For real?
I almost caught a shark once.
Yep.
That was one cool day.
That was a shark.
Oh, it was a whale, huh?
Olga caught a shark.
Yeah.
She caught a crocodile.
Can I look?
With my own hands.
What is it? Can I see what it is?
It's a crocodile.